Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. We have some breaking news on XRP connected to Coinbase. So Coinbase just filed for futures contracts on XRP. So what does that really mean? We're going to get into that real quick here. Coinbase recently filed with the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, to launch futures contracts for XRP. This filing was submitted by Coinbase Derivatives on April 3rd, 2025, with the intention to offer regulated, cash-settled XRP futures contracts under the ticker symbol XRL. The contracts are anticipated to go live on April 21st, 2025. Pending regulatory approval. This move aims to provide a capital-efficient way for institutional and other traders to gain exposure to XRP, one of the most liquid digital assets within a regulated framework in the U.S. markets. This is huge news for XRP. Very bullish. Massive amounts of money are going to roll into XRP compared to other crypto coins that don't have this, right? So there's news all over the place. Coinbase files to launch XRP futures contracts, calling XRP one of the most liquid digital assets. And that's very true. If you want to buy silver or gold bullion, for example, on SD Bullion or other major bullion websites, you can buy real gold and real silver with XRP. You can just send your XRP. You don't even need to do a wire transfer or use a credit card or a debit card. You can send XRP from your wallet right to that website, and they'll send you gold or silver bullion. That's how liquid XRP is. And you hear Coinbase saying, yes, XRP is one of the most liquid digital assets. How bullish is that? You have Donald Trump coming out saying, great job, numbers, far better than expected. It's already working. Hang tough. We can't lose. Also, you have other countries coming to the president saying, we want to make a deal on tariffs. Many countries are saying we're willing to drop tariffs completely. And they've had them on us for decades. And we've been paying 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% tariffs from these countries. And they're willing to put it to zero just so they don't have to pay tariffs. And for decades, they've been taking advantage of America. So that's all bullish news for XRP and our economy. Also breaking news, oil prices are at their lowest level since 2001. Crude oil is all the way down to $64 a barrel. Okay, that's great news as well. And then the final point I want to make is that Coinbase says it's close to offering the futures contracts tied to Ripple's XRP. So it's not like something that's very far off in the distance. It's going to happen real soon, and you see they're wanting to make it go live April 21st. So how is this going to affect the price of XRP? You saw one of the biggest, most massive stock market crashes and crypto crashes the last couple of days, and XRP held strong. It held the $2 level. Now you know you have massive support at $2. That makes investors feel real comfortable investing. And that's going to push us to new all-time highs real soon. All right, guys. It's not happened as fast as we wanted it to. We thought it might happen at the end of December, early January, right? Here we are in April, and it hasn't happened yet as far as new all-time highs for XRP. So it's taking a little longer, but we will get there. It's going to happen very soon, and this could be the catalyst that we need to make it happen. Hit like, subscribe, and notification. Share the video with a friend. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.